In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods to replacement case. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you acquired a replacement case for your set of AirPods, then you will have to pair them to your device again. To do this, insert both AirPods into the case and close the lid. You will have to let them sit in the charging case for approximately 30 minutes. I recommend also plugging the charger in, closing the lid, and then setting them aside. If you want to speed up the process, you can probably get it done with less time, like 20 minutes, but 30 minutes is the recommended amount of time. Once 30 minutes have gone by, with the AirPods inside of the charging case, lid closed, and while charging preferably, now you can repair them with your iPhone or any other device. So go to the Bluetooth settings of your particular device, make sure that it is enabled, and now to make sure that the AirPods is recognized and appear on the list, just press and hold the button that is usually located at the back. So press and hold this button. This will enable Bluetooth connectivity in pairing mode. After this, they are going to appear on the list of other available devices, and you can choose to use them here. Immediately upon selecting them, they will go to the list of devices that you have connected. If they still appear as connected, then what I would recommend is to actually forget them. To do this, tap on the information icon at the right side of the AirPods and then choose the option to forget, and then you can follow the steps that I presented here. Essentially, you just restart the connection. As soon as you press and hold the button and the AirPods are detected, you will see the setup animation if you are doing this on iOS, so you can just tap continue and you will be guided through the process of using and setting up your AirPods. This will also work for Android as long as Bluetooth is enabled and you choose the option to connect them with Bluetooth. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods to replacement case. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.